Right, so scried with my crystal, so beautiful. Started out with a fox, and then there were other animals that came up. There was also at one point a polar bear, a badger, a wolf, a bunny rabbit, and then a jackalope. Super trippy. But it started out with this fox, and then it started morphing into all these different creatures, and it ended up being a grey alien. And something to do with DNA. And then I saw us evolving past this point, and it becomes another kind of creature in the simulation. And there was this thing about like Lemuria, all of these things, they're real. They all exist. Our realities bubble across each other, and all these realities exist. It only exists in your reality if there's a possibility you can believe in it. So everything exists as a reality in somebody's universe. Then I get this thing, there's a significant date. The 9th of January is a significant date. And there's going to be things coming out of the sea and things in the sky. And then I got this thing where we need to be looking at the sky all the time because there's signs in the sky. There's going to be signs in the sky coming. Anyway, 9th of January is significant for some reason. There's a big happening. And I wonder if it's related to things coming out of the sea or things coming out of the sky. I'll keep looking. But then also I went looking for the Divine Masculine for healing, and I went into the Divine Masculine. I went into the eye, I locked eyes with the Divine Masculine. So amazing. And then whoosh, went into his eye, into this quantum tunnel where it was made more, there were all kinds of things that were made more obvious to me in my theories of how the quantum tunnels happen and the material of the quantum tunnel and how they what they look like. They look organic. It's quite amazing. And Stranger Things, when they go through the tunnel, it's an organic, greasy, not greasy, but like wet, mucousy tunnel. And it's not wet and mucousy, but it looks organic like that. It feels like you're going through a body almost sometimes, but it's different kinds of organic. Very beautiful. And then I ended up in this place of the Divine Masculine. It was this beautiful fractal place of light. It was light fractals. And then I saw how masculine is the sun. And in our universe, in our solar system, we can look to the sun for that divine masculine light healing. That's what the sun gives us. And the yin healing is a different kind of healing. It comes off the earth. It's a deep inner healing that we also need. But the light, and the yin healing is a sound healing. Sound healing is yin, light healing is yang. Sound is a yin, light is a yang. I must remember that. That was important. Anyway, that was what came in. And today's date is the 7th of January. So 2 days from now, I'm going to be in Cape Town.